there are certain issues which probably had already been mentioned and were not captured, and they're being added. That is what I actually mean. In other words, they're not really new issues. They may have been captured, but not in that particular way or language. So that is what we mean by editorial. In other words, we're not bringing in substantive new issues. People have had opportunity to talk about all those issues. 2 years now, the clergy themselves had an opportunity to express their views about those issues. So, this is a democratic society. They are entitled to their views. Those are their views, but we go by the views of the majority of our people. And that's where we are. We are going to be talking to some representatives of the governors between now and next Tuesday. Then on Tuesday we will be meeting with women representatives and leaders of the county assemblies, after which now we will be doing the launch of the signature collection sometimes next week. We want that exercise to be done as quickly as possible so that the matter can then be handed over to the Electoral Commission, and then we can move towards the next phase of referendum. We think that this matter, as already mentioned before, should be concluded by latest April next year. That is basically where we are, in as far as the BBI is concerned.